Good evening, everyone. Very nice to see so many of you could have joined in for our class today. Like the last time, it's very nice to see a lot of our past students, current students, and a lot of new faces. We are very happy that we are able to bring you these culinary workshops in collaboration with Sheila Raheja Institute of Hotel Management. Today we have something really exciting. So as all of y'all, just like us, have been stuck at home because of the pandemic, one of the things that we haven't actually had access to is street food. And everyone is very usually in Mumbai and worldwide, people love to indulge in all sorts of street food. And one of the most important things that all of us sort of do is go down in the evening, go out to your local pani puri wala, have pani puri, sev batata puri. तो ये हम लोग अभी बहुत महीनों से हम लोग को मतलब ये करने के लिए हम लोग को चांस नहीं मिल रहा है. So today our class is on street food. And we have two aspiring chefs from Rahejas that are going to show us how to make two exciting dishes. One is basically a kachi dabeli, and the other is a jhal muri. Uh, as you all are already aware that in Mumbai we do get a dabeli and we also get bhel. These are two different versions of a dabeli and a bale. So it's something that you can definitely try at home. And we are hoping that whenever you do this, that you share your photos on social media, so either on Instagram or on Facebook, and let us know how you got on with your prep. Do not forget to tag us, okay, as hashtag Culinaris Next Gen. And I'm just going to start now by giving you an introduction of our chefs. So today our aspiring chefs are Rahul Ramnani and Samiksha Ghore. Rahul is basically an aspiring chef that loves to cook exciting food, and the most important thing is he wants to make an impact, a positive impact, not only in his life but the lives of people around him. And we also have Samiksha Gore, a very interesting profile where she would actually like to work in the defenses. So to be a chef in defense for our country. And besides cooking, she loves baking. She also runs her own little seasonal enterprise where she makes chocolate modaks, and she also sells cakes. One of the most important things that is a key ingredient to her learning and her training is that from trial and error, you always need to ensure that you keep trying so that you get very good at it. So we would like to welcome both of our aspiring chefs and to all of you for our session today. So without any further ado, I will hand over to Samiksha. So Rohan, can we put her on the spotlight?
Can you hear me? Hello. I'm
Hello.
audible?
Hi, Samiksha.
Hello.
Yes, I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible. What I would request is for all our students and everyone watching, please put yourself on mute so that you all can hear Samiksha clearly. Okay, and once she is done, then we will have a question and answer session. Thank you.
Yeah. So, namaskar everyone. Do you know? Hello. Hello. नमस्कार एवरीवन. कामनो आजो. So अभी दो माता जी का now we are going for the Kolkata. We are doing the street food of Kolkata. अभी माता जी का दर्शन चालू है, सब जगह नवरात्रि चालू है. So Durga Puja is the festival of the Hindu goddess Durga, which takes place in October, and it's the biggest festival. So it is great time to visit Kolkata, and Kolkata is one of the major cities and major and biggest city. Oh, Can someone tell me who wrote the Jana Gana Mana?
पण दिसत नाही, बाकी सगळे जण आपल्याला बघतात.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Can some? Who? Repeat, please. Yes, and who wrote the Vande Mataram? Yes,
Bankim
someone
Chandra.
is-
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Yes, very good. So both are from Kolkata. And in lockdown, we all missing the street food, right? So today we are going to make a jhalmuri. So jhalmuri is what it is. Yeah, I'm sharing the screen for you guys. Yeah, just a wait, guys. So what is jhalmuri? Jhalmuri is a jhal means a spicy or something like tikha. So and muri means a puff rice or we call this kurmure, right? So today we are going to make a jhalmuri. It is a street food from Kolkata, and I am showing you the ingredients. So we are going to take 2 cups of puff rice, that is kurmura, some farsan, 1 cup of farsan, 1 medium onion, 1 boiled potato, 1 medium size of tomato, 1 cucumber. These are both sprouts. One is the black chickpeas, that is chana, and other one is white peas, that is matar. These are the roasted. You can see these are the roasted chana and shingdana. Here it is shev and puri. Some chilies, cut chilies, ginger, coriander and lemon. The special ingredients is a mustard oil. We are using a mustard oil in it. And this is the bhuja masala. It is used mostly in all the street foods in Kolkata. So I am giving. We have to first roast. We have to take 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of soap, that is fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, that is dhane, and 2 cardamom, that is ilaichi. Then we have to roast it, dry roast it, and then we have to grind it. Be careful while grinding. Grind it under the guidance of any elder. So now I am going to show you. Please write it somewhere and write.
Hello, can you please repeat the ingredients?
Sorry.
Can you please repeat the ingredients?
I am going to show you now. You will write it, and I will ask you another time. Then you will tell me how I am going to do. Okay?
This is murmura, right?
Yes, it's a jhalmuri.
Jhalmuri. Okay.
Yes, jhalmuri. Okay. So I am taking the puff rice. I am taking the first 1 cup of puff rice. Then I am going to add some farsan. I am adding the half portion. Then I am going to add potato. Some onion.
Can I please request everyone to put yourself on mute? Otherwise, we will not be able to hear our chef speaking. And if you have any questions, please do type that in the chat box at the side. Also, besides this, when we sent the link to you all last night by email, the ingredients as well as the method have already been shared.
So now I am going to add some tomatoes. You can add it as you like. If you don't like to eat cucumber or tomato, don't add it. Now I am going to add some cucumber, some chickpeas, black chickpeas and mutton. Some roasted chanas and shengdana. Keep it for the garnish. Now I am going to add chilies. Add it as you like. If you like spicy, more spicy, add more. Or if you like less spicy, add little less. I am adding it less. Add ginger. Ginger gives you very nice taste. Some coriander. Now I am adding mustard oil. I am just adding 1/4 tablespoon of mustard oil. As everyone don't like the taste of mustard oil, then I am adding the bhuja masala. It is 1 tablespoon. Bhuja masala is used very often. Yeah. Now I am going to add a salt. It's around half teaspoon. Then I am again going to add a black salt. It gives a very nice taste. Some shave and the puris. Crack it. I am going to add 2 puris. Mix it. Mix it like this, like a cut and fold method. Once it's done, taste it. It requires more salt. Just 1 pinch of salt. Now I am going to add a lemon. Add dry ingredients first and then add the wet ingredient. So our dish is ready. I am putting it on plate. Now I am adding some fresh coconut which is cut for garnish. Some pomegranate seeds. It looks very nice and while eating you like it. Again, save. Some chopped coriander. And the puri. So it's ready. You can see it. आपको दिखाई दे रही है? Yes. Hello.
That's great,
Ma'am,
Samiksha. That's great. It
yes.
looks lovely. Very, very
Yes.
nice.
Now, so who is going to tell me? I am doing another time. So who is going to tell me how to make it step by step? किसने लिखा है और किसको याद है मैंने कैसे बनाया? Surekha Pandit, you can tell me? Yes, I am audible. Who is going to tell me?
Priti, Baba, can you tell us what you added? What did chef add?
Yes.
You have to
किसने लिखा है?
unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. 1 second, wait.
Yeah,
Unmute.
Preeti.
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me one by one.
Yes. 1 cup stuffed rice.
Yes, I am going to add it. Then,
Farsan 1 cup. No.
sorry.
Farsan half cup. Farsan half cup.
Yeah, okay.
Potatoes.
Potato.
Okay.
Potatoes.
Say potato.
Onion.
Potato.
1.5
Okay.
half.
Tomato.
1.5 half.
Yes, then onion.
Potato.
Cucumber.
Yeah.
Cucumber, mutton.
Yes, I am going to.
Chana. Sprout. Roasted
Yes.
chana. Peanuts.
After sprouts, what I have
Farsan.
Farsan.
after sprouts, what
Farsan.
करना है?
Farsan. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
How about Pallavi, Baba? What did chef add?
Roasted all. You tell one by one, please. Yes, hello all. Yes. Can you tell one by one? Now I am audible. Yes, hello.
Just a second, Samiksha.
Yes. What happened?
Can't hear Pallavi.
Oh yeah, I guess she is mute.
Black.
Ah,
Yes. Now what I have to add? Yes, after 50. Yes, now I am going to add some chilies. Chilies and ginger.
okay. Thank you, Pallavi. What about Girish? What else did chef add?
What I am missing? I can't hear anyone, ma'am. Yes. What I am missing?
What about Ayush? Unmute yourself, Baba. What did chef add?
मैं क्या मिस कर रही हूँ? मैंने तो इतना सब ऐड कर दिया है. Still I am missing something.
लेमन डाला है.
हाँ, येलो दाल.
येलो दाल भी डाल दिया मैंने. मैंने कौन सा तो ऑयल नहीं डाला, राइट? और मसाला नहीं डाला मैंने, कौन सा मसाला नहीं डाला, और विच ऑयल आई एम नॉट एड.
Puja masala and
Yes, very good. Yeah, very good. So I am going to add a 1 teaspoon of bhuja masala.
घाल ना कानात.
Puja masala and mustard oil.
Yes, very good. And 1/4 teaspoon of mustard oil. Don't add more mustard oil. It's their traditional way. And then some shave. Yes. I'm going to mix it now.
काय काय टाकायचं ते आधी.
Oh. Yes. Now I am going to show you the भैया कैसे करता है, पता है ना सबको, कि एक पेपर में बांध के देता है. So now I am going to show you. I am taking this half paper. I am cut it from the middle. This much. I am again cut it from the middle. Yeah. Just थोड़ा सा twist करना है, like this. And then we have to round it. Something like this. Yeah. Then we again have to some there, some lemon juice, shave.
Pomegranate and shave.
Yes, very good. Pomegranate. And one more thing is
Lemon.
coconut. Yes, I have already added lemon. Yes. I'm going to mix it. And it's a puri. Yes, it's ready. Can everyone see?
Yes.
It look like a भैया. हम जाते हैं खाते हैं चाट, तो भैया ऐसे ही देता है ना. सबको पसंद आया, सबको समझ में आया. कोई मुझे आगे फिर से बोल सकता है शॉर्ट में क्या क्या ऐड किया मैंने?
Put it some rice and that shave and potato, tomato, and
Yes,
and
very good.
some onion
Yes, very good.
and pomegranate, lemon juice, ginger, coriander, and chili. Salt.
Yes, very good. You are missing two major things, which is traditional.
What
That
about
must-
what about Parth? Can Parth tell us what we have added?
That two major things. One masala and one oil.
What about Deeptanshu? What did chef add, Baba?
kurmura सांग. kurmura फरसाण
अजून काय होतं कुरमुरा आणि फरसाण पुढे?
आणि अजून
Mustard oil.
पोटॅटो
Very good.
टोमॅटो
Very good.
काय होतं वरती काय टाकलेलं?
And
शेव. येस पूजा मसाला
Yes, very good.
मेथी दाणे कोथिंबीर
अजून
मेथी दाणे
हा पुढे.
डाळी
Very good, very good. So
शेवापडी शेंगदाणे लिंबू
yes, very good.
dana shengdana kut.
शेंगदाणा कूट नाही, only roasted शेंगदाणा. I'm not adding
Yes,
शेंगदाणा
I
कूट.
mean that this
Okay, good.
roasted beef.
Yes, very good. So everyone like it?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. So
That
I
was
will-
very, very nice, Samiksha. Would you want to show your presentation?
Actually, it's not opening. Just I'm trying.
Okay. It's come up. We can see it. If you just put it to the wide screen, full screen, sorry.
Yeah, I'm trying. Just give me a moment.
Yeah.
Is it visible? Hmm. Wanna- It's not visible. Can anyone tell me which bell is this? One by one, please. Yeah. I'm
I think
audible?
side is jhalmuri and right side is the regular bhel.
This is a beans and a shivpuri that put it.
Yes, it's a sprouts bell.
And corn bhel.
Sprout
Yeah.
beans.
This is?
Sprout and
Kaun si
this
bell hai?
is corn
Yes, very good.
and there is some shave and that tomato and pomegranate.
Very good. Can someone tell me which bell is this?
What
Everyone?
about Jayati Ghosh? Can you tell us what bell it is?
The Chinese bhel.
Very nice.
Yes, very good. I think you like it very well.
Yes.
Chinese.
Oh. And which bell is this?
What about Abhimanyu? What is this bell, Baba?
Pomegranate bhel.
No, it's a oats bell.
Oats bhel.
Yes.
Wow, that's interesting. Oats bale. That is quite different.
Yes, you can make it and say, present it and
Okay.
share the pic with the page. Parents like it?
Yes, I liked
सब
it.
जन घर पे बनाएंगे अभी ये?
Yes.
Yes,
And tag the foundation, right?
Yeah, we all do it.
Yes, very good. So I'm done. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very, very much, Samiksha. That was very nice and it looked very appetizing. I think all of us are going to try a version of your bale in the next few days. We now move on to Rahul, okay, who is going to show us how to make a kachi dabeli. Over to you, Rahul.
Hello, how are you, everyone? Hello, आप सब लोग कैसे हो?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay. तो शुरू करने से पहले I'll ask you one question, small question. Okay? दाबेली को दाबेली क्यों बोलते हैं?
Sorry? With the pav.
पावामध्ये दाबून बसवतात.
Yes, can anyone tell me? कोई बता सकता है? दाबेली को दाबेली क्यों बोलते हैं?
पावामध्ये बटाटा दाबून बसवतात.
Chef? Yes, बच्चा.
दाबेली को दबा के
पावावरून दाबेलेली असतात.
दाबेली असतात, पण त्याला दाबेली का म्हणतात?
दाबून भरतात म्हणून.
काय?
दाबून भरतात, खूप भरतात पावामध्ये.
बरोबर बोलले तुम्ही. ओके, दाबेली इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि दाबेली comes from the Gujarati word dabawa. Like हिंदी में हम बोलेंगे दबावा. Okay, in Gujarati, in the Kutch region of Gujarat. Okay, गुजरात में एक रीजन है कच्छ करके, जहाँ पे मतलब वहाँ के लोग जो होते हैं, वहाँ के जो रहने के लोग होते हैं, the citizens of that place are known as Kachhis. Okay, that's why this in their language, when they press something against something, okay, so they use ladi pav. Okay, this is a ladi pav. Okay, ladi pav को क्या करते हैं? They take the filling, they put different layers of filling in this, okay, and then they press it. That's the reason why it's called dabeli. Okay, dabeli means daba hua in Kachhi. Okay, can anyone hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. Okay, so तो सबसे पहले हम लोग स्टार्ट करें. ओके, सबसे पहले व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल लाइट द गैस. ओके, I turn the camera towards the chula. Can everybody see it clearly?
Yes, Rahul, that's a good view.
Okay. Chalo, let's start. Okay. First of all, before lighting the gas, we have to turn the gas to the lowest heat possible. Okay. Then we have to put the lighter. Then we can start the gas. Okay. Abhi ek kadai hai. There's a small kadai with me. I have already added little oil and little ghee in it. Usually people use butter or tel. I have added both. I have added ghee and oil साथ में. Okay. Any questions so far?
No questions so far, Rahul.
Okay. Chalo, let's turn up the heat little bit so that ghee melts little bit. Okay. So over here, while this is happening, okay, I'll show you some prep work that I have done. Okay. Okay, this is tamarind water. Okay, tamarind pulp को मैंने क्या किया है? I have soaked the tamarind in some warm water and then I have squeezed it a little bit. Okay, फिर उसका pulp निकल गया. I have nylon save with me. You must have seen that कि वो दाबेली वाला जब दाबेली बनाता है तो उसको बनाने के बाद वो इसमें कवर करता है. लेकिन when you make the filling, you also add the little bit of save in the potato also. Okay. And over here I have some chopped onions. Okay. I have some whole chilies. These are green chilies, but these are not too spicy. Okay. You can use these not too spicy chilies. चलेगा, ज़्यादा तीखा नहीं है, आपको ज़्यादा तीखा भी नहीं लगेगा. Okay. So we'll take these chilies and we'll chop them. Okay. Okay, so this is one medium onion chopped finely, and this is one long non-spicy chili chopped finely. Okay. Now, before adding these to the ghee, we have to add 3 more things to the ghee. Okay. These things are the masala. Before adding, this is what we call seasoning of oil. ये जो हमारा oil है, इसको हम season करेंगे with masala. Okay, this is दाबेली मसाला। ये दाबेली मसाला आप अगर नीचे राशन की दुकान पे जाएंगे तो आपको बहुत इजीली मिल जाएगा। ओके, दिस इज 1 tablespoon of dabeli masala. Okay, this is half a teaspoon of garam masala and approximately 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Okay, I'll repeat. Okay, this is 1 tablespoon of dabeli masala, which you can get easily in the kirana store. Okay, this is half teaspoon garam masala. Okay, and this is 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Okay, any questions?
No, chef.
Okay, chalo, let's start with the dabeli filling. Okay, here we have oil and ghee. First of all, we'll add a little bit of red chili powder. आप देख सकते हो, the oil is catching the color of the red chili powder. We'll add the dabeli masala into it. This is the main ingredient in the dabeli. Okay, now the garam masala. Okay, let's mix this a little bit, and then immediately जैसे ही थोड़ा सा हो जाए, we'll add the onions. Wow, the smell of the masala is beautiful. Okay, you have to lightly saute the onions. You have to very lightly saute the onions. Okay, until they are little bit translucent. थोड़ा सा कुक हो जाना चाहिए, स्लाइटली कुक हो जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमको थोड़ा सा बाइट भी चाहिए अनियन का इन द दाबेली मसाला. ओके, if you want you can add little bit more oil or ghee at this point. Adding 1 more tablespoon of oil. Okay, as you can see, this is getting a good color. Okay, now here after you have added the onions, okay, you have to add the tamarind pulp. Okay, जो मैंने बोला था थोड़ा सा tamarind लिया है, उसको गर्म पानी में मैंने भिगाया है. Then I have squeezed out the pulp out of it. Okay, so about 3 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. Okay, I have added 3 tablespoons of tamarind pulp in it. Yes, this is giving a very good tarka. Okay, next step, very important, the main thing of dabeli masala is the potatoes. Okay, now these are 4 medium potatoes, steamed and mashed. The reason why I said that मैंने इसको steam किया है, because when you boil, there is a danger of getting more water in the potato and your potatoes can get very liquidy. Okay, so this is a new tip for you all कि आप अगर जब बना रहे हो तो you can also steam the potatoes. You can cut the potatoes in half. Potato को आधा काट दो. Okay, you can put it on the steamer and let it steam for 10 minutes. It will cook properly और आपके आलू में ज़्यादा पानी भी नहीं होगा. As you can see, these are very dry potatoes. Okay, चलो back to this. Any questions so far?
Yes, Rahul, we have a question from Shivali.
Sure.
She's asking why we added the masala before adding the onions, because if we do it later, is it okay? Because it may get burnt. The masalas may get burnt.
Yeah, you can. The reason for adding masalas before adding the onions is to season the oil. जैसे कि when you add तड़का to the dal, आप दाल में तड़का डालते हो, then you add the small things like jeera, you add the rai, you add the green chilies. उसके पहले if you add this, okay, if you add the masala to the oil first, then the oil will be very aromatic, okay, and it will be very, it will give a very good taste.
Okay.
Before what you can do to save it from burning is, before you add the masala, the oil should be medium hot. Okay.
Right.
Make sure that, okay, if your mama is with you, then she'll help you that the oil is not too hot. When the oil is not too hot, just add the masala. Okay. Then you can add the onions and chilies. Okay. The oil should infuse. The oil should be, mixed with the masala first. Then only you will get a very good. You can add it later, but this will give the best taste possible. Okay.
Okay, sounds good. I have a question actually, Rahul.
Sure.
Something out of curiosity. Why are you wearing a chef coat with the MasterChef logo on it?
I also had the same question.
Because I have worked for the MasterChef kitchen for 2 seasons.
Okay.
Because I wanted to show that how can you give street food a chef's twist to street food.
Okay.
That's why I'm on a chef coat today.
Okay, very nice. Nice to know that.
How to give it a good twist like a master chef. Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll add the potatoes. These are 4 medium steamed potatoes for the best texture possible. Now I'll start mashing it a little bit. Okay. We have to mix the potatoes well with the masala. The masala should be everywhere in the potato. Okay. Now this masala of dabeli is supposed to be really little bit runny. थोड़ा सा गीला होना चाहिए इसका masala. Okay. So what we will do while this is happening, okay, we'll take a little bit of water. Okay, we'll take a little bit of water. We'll add it to the potato. Okay, little bit of water, not much. Okay, now when you mix it with the potatoes will get little bit liquidy. And that way you will get the proper filling टेक्सचर जो आपको पतला दाबेली का आलू होता है वैसा आपको मिलेगा. ओके. Now the next step. What is the most important thing in food? Food will not taste good when you don't have
seasoning, salt.
Yes, very good. So next step we'll be adding is 1 teaspoon of salt, or according to your taste. Okay, any questions?
Would you deliver this to Borivali, Rahul, because we are close to you, considering you're in Kandivli?
Sure, why not? Okay. Now this is looking good. Let me just have a little taste of it. Check the salt. Always check the salt. Always taste your food before. a very important. Okay. Yeah, the salt is perfect. Okay. Next step, what we will do is very interesting step. Okay. We'll close the gas. इसका gas बंद कर दिया, इसका काम हो गया. Okay. Now what we will do is take 3 tablespoons. Just a minute. We'll take 3 tablespoons of save, nylon save, and we'll add it to the potato. This will give a very good bite to it. Okay. It will also increase the starchiness of the potato, as the besan will also dissolve with. Okay. First, now we added the potatoes. Now what we'll do is, I have a mortar and pestle over here. Anyone knows what is a mortar and pestle? Okay, I have a mortar and pestle over here. I have a very simple ingredient over here जो आपको शॉप में से मिल जाएगा. Okay, this is masala peanuts. जो दाबेली वाला आपको साइड में देता है ना, जब दाबेली खाने जाते हैं तो थोड़ा सा चॉप्ड अनियन, थोड़ा सा ये वाला सिंपल आपको साइड में देते हैं, मालूम है? आपको मालूम है?
हाँ बोलना. हाँ.
Yes.
Yes, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So what?
ना दाने.
Yes.
Sorry. हाँ है ना?
ना दाने.
शेंगाला गाला.
सिंगाना है.
शेंगाला.
ये सिंगाना है. इसको हम क्या करेंगे? इसको हम ओखली में डालेंगे. Okay. And then we will crush little bit. Crush the peanuts. थोड़ा करके हम इसको क्रश कर देंगे. ओके. ये हमने पीनट्स क्रश कर लिए हैं. नाउ वील एड इट टू द potatoes. Okay, this is a very good step. This is a very good trick to have चटपटा दाबेली. Okay, अगर आप ये फिलिंग में डालोगे तो आपका फिलिंग बहुत चटपटा बनेगा. Okay. Okay, let's mix now. ओके. अभी दाबेली वाले का नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है? दाबेली वाले के पास आप जाते तो उसका जो मसाला होता है एक बहुत बड़ी प्लेट में होता है. तो व्हाट वी विल डू, अभी हमारे पास तो बड़ी प्लेट नहीं है. ओके, व्हाट वी विल डू इज ऐड इट इन अ थाली. विल टेक अ थाली लाइक दिस. ओके, विल पुट द फिलिंग. We'll put the filling on this thali nicely. You can take the help of your parents also in this. Okay.
Rahul,
The potato filling. Everyone has understood the potato filling. Any questions?
Yes, Rahul, what is the quantity of the nuts that you added, of the peanuts? Parth is asking us this question.
Yes, 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts. Okay. Hello.
Sorry, that was 2 tablespoons.
Of the peanuts. Okay, you
2
have to take 2
tablespoons.
tablespoons of peanuts.
Okay,
Then you have to
okay.
crush them and you have to add it. Okay.
Okay.
So what we will do is we'll spread it nicely and evenly on the thali, just like a dabeli wala. Okay, can anyone tell me मैंने क्या क्या किया अब तक? How did I make the potato filling? Can anyone tell me?
Can we have Kinjal tell us? Kinjal, Lerki, Vasudha, can you all tell us what we added?
Yes. First of all, what did we do?
ये लाल मिर्ची, दाबेली मसाला, गरम मसाला, कांदा बारीक चिरलेला, चिंचेचा सोडा, बटाटा,
बटाटा. Yes.
What about Jay? Can Jay tell us what chef added?
ये चिली पाउडर,
That with ghee, red garam masala.
दाबेली मसाला, गरम
So
कांदा, चिंचेचा बटाटा, सोडे पानी,
Garam masala
and
then.
chili and
Hello.
Hello, Rahul, can you hear us?
Yes, yes. I cannot hear the other people speaking.
Okay, what I would say to everyone,
ghee and red chili.
what I would say to everyone is if you all could sort of put your hand up and talk, and then I can pick you out so that then you can answer the chef.
Yes,
Okay?
yes. Please raise your hand.
Yeah. Do not unmute yourself, because then we are getting cross disturbance and then we can't hear anybody. So Rahul, did you hear anything? Any of the answers?
Yes, I heard some people say it's step by step. They said ghee. They said
Okay.
garam masala. They said red chili powder. Then
Okay.
the dabeli masala. Then aloo. Then water. Yes,
Right,
I
right.
mean, I guess they are understanding.
Yeah.
Kanda.
Okay, great.
Yeah, हाँ कांदा भी डाला मैंने.
Great.
And oil and the turmeric pulp, and also that the peanut.
Yes, very good. Okay. Abhi
Yes. Vasudha, yes, Vasudha, tell
also
us
ghee.
what did we add?
Okay.
Ghee.
बटाटे मिक्स केले, सर्व मसाला घातला, पुन्हा थोडं पाणी घातलं, पुन्हा मिक्स केलं, मग 3 चमचे बारीक शेव घातली, 3 चमचे
शेव घातले मग
मोठे 2 चमचे, परत
हो बरोबर
दाणे घातले, परत शेव घातले,
हो
मग सगळं मिक्स केलं,
हो शेव घातले
हळीमध्ये पसरलं.
हो आणि मग काय केलं आणि आम्ही ताटामध्ये घेऊन आम्ही असं नीट पसरून घेतलं.
Very nice. Very nice. What about Mihir? Is Mihir enjoying the class? Mihir enjoy kar rahe hai?
Hi,
Jaya?
Mihir, how are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Say hi, Mihir.
Hi, Mihir, how are you?
अच्छा देख रहा है वो.
चलो आता पुढे आम्ही आता ह्याला बनवूया. हो का? ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट स्टेप फॉर दिस. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज वेरी मच फन. ओके, अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आपको बहुत मजा आएगा. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेक 1 tablespoon of peanuts, masala wala peanuts, and you just have to spread it over like this. Okay, ये आपने इस पे डाल दिया. Okay, next you have to see, take, अगला क्या लेना है, थोड़ा नायलॉन से लेना है आपको. ओके, फिर इसके ऊपर आपको इसके ऊपर ऐसे करके डालना है. ओके, okay, next step, can you tell me what is this?
A pomegranate.
Yes, very good. Oh, then इसके ऊपर हम लोग ऐसे करके डाल देंगे. Okay, next step we have is, next हम लोग क्या डालेंगे इसमें. अभी ऊपर ग्रीन ग्रीन कलर का क्या होता है जो मोस्ट हम लोग यूज करते हैं सब खाने में, ऊपर से जाता है. कोथिंबीर घालायचं. हो, कोथिंबीर घालायचं, बरोबर बोललीस तू. ओके, okay, now we'll chop some coriander. We'll take little bit bunch of coriander. Okay, keep your fingers safe. Okay, use your knife in slow motion. Okay, चाकू को आराम से यूज करो. ओके, ओके, नाउ अभी हमारे पास फाइन चॉप कोथिंबीर है. कोण बोलला कोथिंबीर घालायचं, कोण बोलला? सुधा बोलती है. ओके, ओके, तो अभी इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा हम लोग कोरिएंडर स्प्रेड करेंगे. ओके,
Rahul, we have a question from Rohan Parab, who's asking whether there is any substitute for the anar. Can we use anything else?
you can just remove the anar. You cannot, अगर नहीं यूज करना है then you cannot, you can quit. You can also, नहीं भी यूज कर सकते हो.
Sorry, what is that?
You can skip the pomegranate if you don't
skip
want
the
to.
pomegranate. But any other thing that we can use other than that?
If you want, you can chop up some grapes. अगर थोड़े से आपको अनार के जगह पे है तो आपको छोटे से अंगूर लेंगे. अंगूर को आप 3-4 पीस में काट लीजिए और उसके ऊपर डाल दीजिए.
Okay.
Okay, it will give the same sweetness and some same sourness. Okay, अभी क्या होता है, बहुत जगहों पे गुजरात में बहुत लोग होते हैं जो जैन होते हैं. ओके, आपको मालूम होगा, तो बहुत गुजराती लोग होते हैं जो जैन होते हैं. अभी जैन लोग क्या करते हैं, वो लोग आलू नहीं खाते, वो लोग कांदा नहीं खाते, लहसुन नहीं खाते. तो क्या करते हैं कि वो लोग जो मसाला मैंने इसमें डाला है उससे भी ज्यादा मसाले डालते हैं और वो लोग आलू की जगह पे कच्चा केला यूज करते हैं. आपको मालूम है कच्चा केला क्या होता है?
Raw banana.
Yes, raw bananas. They use raw bananas instead of potatoes. Okay. Now Jain people, they don't eat potatoes. So what will they eat? They put raw bananas instead of this. Okay. Instead, and वो लोग मसाला थोड़ा ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में डालते हैं क्योंकि वो लोग कांदा नहीं डालने वाले. Okay. They also don't use peanuts. Okay. वो लोग सिंगदाना भी यूज नहीं करते हैं जो जैन होते हैं. Okay. So that is a different variant. Okay, अलग वेरिएंट होता है आपकी दाबेली के लिए. अगर आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है तो आप कच्चा केला बॉईल कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन मेक द सेम मैश। ऐसे मैश करके आप इसको सेम मसाला, लेकिन डबल द क्वांटिटी ऑफ मसाला आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा। ओके, अभी एक सरप्राइज इंग्रेडिएंट मैं डालने वाला हूं इसके ऊपर, जो होगा अपने पास सूखा खोबरा, मतलब सूखा हुआ घसा हुआ नारियल, डेसिकेटेड कोकोनट जो होता है, ये काफी इंग्रेडिएंट अच्छा होता है। ओके, दे यूज इट ऑन टॉप फॉर गार्निशिंग देयर प्लेटर ऑफ दाबेली। नाउ यू कैन सी, अभी आप दाबेली वाले के पास जाते हो, आपको सेम प्लेटर दिखता है, हाँ कि ना? सच्ची बोलो। हो ना? ओके, अब ये दाबेली का हमारा प्लेटर जो है वो हो गया है। ओके, वी हैव टू डू वेरी सिंपल थिंग। अभी हमको क्या करना है, वी हैव टू chop one onion. For this you have to take little bit more masala singdana for the filling also. Okay, so around 3 tablespoons for this filling, and pav mein dalne ke liye you have to use another 3 tablespoons. Yeah, 3 tablespoons also you can use, and little bit on the side when you serve it. Okay, अभी हम क्या करेंगे, दाबेली वाले के पास जाते हो। ओके, दाबेली वाले के पास जाते हो तो उसके पास एक बहुत बड़ा तवा होता है। ओके, we'll turn the gas on again on lower flame. Okay, we'll keep the तवा, इसके ऊपर हम तवे के ऊपर तवा हमने चालू कर दिया है। ठीक है, हम क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले, ओके, मैं आपको क्या बोलता हूँ, कुछ बोलता हूँ। ठीक है, अभी हम लोग दाबेली को फ्राई करेंगे। ये तवा जब तक गर्म हो रहा है मैं आपको सिखाता हूँ। ओके, ये पाव लेना है आपको, पाव लेना है, इसको ऐसे पाव के अंदर आपको ऐसा होल करना है। ओके, पाव के आप अंदर आपने होल कर दिया तो छोटा सा। ओके, इसको खोल देना है। आपको एक चम्मच लेना है। ओके, यू हैव टू टेक दिस स्पून। ओके, आपको चम्मच को लेना है, इसमें डालना है, और ये चम्मच का 2 टेबलस्पून्स, 2 नहीं तो 1 टेबलस्पून भी चलेगा। ओके, 1.5 tablespoon is perfect for this. Okay, now for this you have to also use some masala peanuts. Okay, you have to take masala peanuts, then you have to put another layer of masala peanuts inside it. Okay, ये आपने डाल दिया इसके अंदर। You have to also take little bit of tamarind pulp. Okay, okay, you have to take little bit, very little bit. Okay, not even 1 tablespoon, just just 1 teaspoon, and put it inside this. Okay, then you have to press it. अच्छे से इसको प्रेस करना है। That's the reason why it's called दाबेली। अभी ये जो दाबेली है, इसके अंदर आपको चाहिए तो आप और भी फिलिंग डाल सकते हो। ओके, चलो मैं और फिलिंग डाल देता हूँ थोड़ा सा। ओके, थोड़ा सा और फिलिंग जाएगा। ओके, अभी ऐसे करके हम 2-3 और बना लेते हैं। ओके, चलो आप अभी मेरे को बताओ कैसे बनाते हैं। अभी इसको कैसे हम करें। सबसे पहले क्या करें, 1 person, एक आदमी, एक मेरे को बोलो, एक स्टूडेंट मेरे को बोलो।
First, put the oil.
पाव उघडला,
पाव में क्या डालू?
दाणे घातले,
पाव मध्ये काय घालू मी?
घातले,
Or dump it.
मसाला घातला,
दाबेली मसाला.
चमचा घातला,
हो,
Red chili powder and
तिखट घातलं, दाणे घातलं, दाबलं।
हो, वसुधा प्लीज मेरे को ये बताओ कि मैं अभी पाव में क्या डालूं? पाव मध्ये काय घालू मी?
मसाला, दाणे,
तो मसाला घालतो.
चिंचेचा कोळ, पुन्हा मसाला.
ओके, मसाला घालतो त्याच्यामध्ये. ठीक है, मैंने मसाला डाला. ठीक है,
मसाला डाला,
दाणे घाला.
पानी बाकी डाला,
दाणे घाला. दाणे घाला.
Tamarind.
यू कैन. नेक्स्ट क्या था? मसाला पीनट्स.
मसाला पीनट्स,
Pomegranate.
यस, पोमोग्रेनेट इसमें है, तो इसका पोमोग्रेनेट इसमें चला गया. ओके,
And a
Okay.
coconut.
शेव घाला. चिंचेचा कोळ घाला. चिंचेचा कोळ घाला.
शेव बाहेरून घालायचं.
चिंचेचा कोळ.
ओके, पहले हमने ये आलू लिया, फिर हमने इसमें पीनट्स डाला, फिर उसके बाद अभी 1 टीस्पून ऑफ टैमरिंड पल्प. ओके, अभी देन इसको अच्छे से हम दबा देंगे. ओके, अभी चलो दाबेली वाले के पास अभी आप जाओगे. दाबेली वाले के पास उसका जो तवा होता है, उसका तवा, उसपे दाबेली ऐसे रखी होती है ना. ठीक है, अभी दाबेली हमने इस पे रख दी जो हमने फिल किक करके रखी थी. ओके, अभी इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, बहुत अच्छी सी चीज है. अभी एक छोटे से प्लेट पे ना.
Rahul,
यस.
Rahul, we have a few questions from Facebook. The first one is that can you repeat for us the amount of each masala that was added to the potato?
Yes, sure. Okay, garam masala you have to add half teaspoon. Okay, garam masala you have to add half teaspoon. Red chili powder you have to add 1 teaspoon. Okay, and dabeli masala you have to add 1 tablespoon. Okay, एक बड़ा चम्मच दाबेली मसाला.
Okay, I hope that answers your question, Shirish.
Yes.
We also have Benaiza who has mentioned that tutti frutti could be used as an alternative for the anar. Is that something you would recommend as well?
Yes, there is also that is also a very good alternative for anar. Tutti frutti is also a very good alternative.
Right, awesome. Okay, and we have another question where, so is it tamarind chutney or is it water that you added?
That's tamarind. Little bit of pulp of tamarind, little bit of salt. Okay, little bit of salt. If you can add.
Okay, so you took the tamarind, you soaked it in water.
Yes, I squeezed it and added little salt.
Right. Okay, and was it a teaspoon or a tablespoon that you used?
Just a teaspoon.
A teaspoon. Okay.
Okay.
Shabir bhai, I hope that answers your question as well.
ओके, नेक्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दाबेली में सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी चीज क्या लगती है? दाबेली में जब बटर लगता है सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है ना. तो अभी हम लोग दाबेली में बटर डालेंगे. ओके, we'll take little bit butter. Okay, you have to take little bit butter, not much, ज्यादा नहीं. ओके, इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा आपको ऐसे बटर थोड़ा सा स्प्रेड करके इसको आप फ्लिप कर दो अच्छे से. इसको गैस को थोड़ा सा हाई कर दो. ओके, हमने फर्स्ट दाबेली फ्लिप कर दी, सेकंड दाबेली भी फ्लिप कर दी. ओके, सबसे अच्छा कब लगता है? जब बटर दाबेली मिलती है ना, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It comes out very tasty. बहुत टेस्टी बनता है दाबेली बनती है. गैस को आप स्लो कर दो. ओके, इसको थोड़ा सा अभी इसको थोड़ा सा इस पे सेकने दो, तब तक हम लोग प्लेटिंग की तैयारी करते हैं। अभी प्लेटिंग के लिए मेरे पास आई हैव दिस, इट्स अ वेरी गुड, यू नो, इट्स अ बहुत अच्छा सा स्टोन है, मैंने लिया था काफी अच्छी प्लेटिंग के लिए, ठीक है। तो आई गेस मेरा दाबेली अभी तक हो गया रहेगा, दाबेली को निकाल लेते हैं। ओके, दाबेली हम लोग निकाल के इसको अच्छी सी प्लेटिंग देंगे। ओके, वी विल प्लेट इट लाइक अ मास्टर शेफ। ओके, तो अभी हम लोग प्लेट की तरफ फोकस करते हैं, चलो। ओके, वी हैव द प्लेट ओवर हियर, विल डू द प्लेटिंग। ओके, what you can do is इसको एक लेयर में you can put it, और you can also give it your own twist, आप अपनी खुद की प्लेटिंग भी कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। Okay, now what we will do is we will sprinkle some save on top, थोड़ी सी सेव ऊपर डालेंगे। ओके, थोड़ा सा पोमोग्रेनेट सीड्स डालेंगे, थोड़ा हियर, लिटिल हियर, लिटिल देयर, थोड़े से कलर के लिए भी अच्छा है पोमोग्रेनेट। पोमोग्रेनेट का एक बहुत अच्छा एडवांटेज मैं बताता हूँ, पोमोग्रेनेट इज वेरी गुड फॉर योर ब्लड प्रेशर लेवल। ओके, अगर आपके बॉडी में अगर आपकी खून की कमी है तो आप अनार खाएंगे तो आपकी तबीयत अच्छी हो जाएगी। ओके, नाउ we'll add little bit of chopped onions. We chop onions, we'll add little bit on top, ज्यादा नहीं डालना है। Okay, little bit of chopped onions on top, just like street food wala. Okay, we'll also add little sprig of coriander on top. Okay, इधर थोड़ा सा धनिया, ओके, इधर भी थोड़ा सा धनिया। Plate it like a master chef. ओके, चलो, वी आर डन नाउ। अभी आपकी कच्ची दाबेली जो है आप खाएंगे, आप खाते रह जाएंगे। हाउ डज इट लुक?
Nice, chef. चांगलं झालंय.
Nice, chef. That looks superb, Rahul. Absolutely stunning.
मस्त झालंय.
Thank you, Vasudha.
So one point to all of our attendees today, जब आप लोग ये घर पे आप बनाते हो जो कुछ भी खाना, तो कभी कभी टाइम है तो थोड़ा आप कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हो खाने को, वो भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है, क्योंकि हम लोग आंखों से पहला हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद में पेट में जाता है. So food is it's very important that food looks appetizing as much as it tastes appetizing. So one of the ideas of always trying out something new at home, कुछ नए आप लोग सीखे, तो थोड़ा बहुत आप ध्यान दे कैसे आप लोग प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, तो और भी अच्छा रहेगा. And then you can, like Rahul mentioned, you can actually add a master chef twist to your kachi daveli.
Yes, you can, obviously.
So one of the questions that we have is about, again, the recipe. We have emailed you the cards with the link to the class today, to the workshop today. So
Yes.
please check in your email. And one general announcement, whenever we have a new workshop, we always share a creative which is put up on our Facebook page, or you may receive it from somebody you know on WhatsApp. आप लोग को हर बार ये क्लास के लिए आप लोग को साइन अप करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सब जन सब क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर सकते, तो अटेंडीज डिफरेंट होते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम लोग को मतलब हम लोग कौन साइन कर रहे हैं, कौन क्लास के लिए साइन अप कर रहे हैं, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोग रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. So you will have to sign up again. और हम लोग हर बार ये रेसिपी को और जूम लिंक भी हम लोग ईमेल से भेजते हैं, तो आपका ईमेल प्लीज चेक करो. We have a question from Rohan Parab, who's asking, where do you get such lovely plates, Rahul?
ये प्लेट एक्चुअली मैंने लिया था वन स्टॉप से, इंफिनिटी मॉल मलाड. यू कैन गो. Okay, over there you can get wooden, you can get stone plates also. और अगर आपको एकदम एडवांस प्लेट्स चाहिए तो you can go to Fort also. ये यहाँ से काफी दूर है एक्चुअली. यहाँ से क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट में गया था एक बार. I had made a visit, so I fell in love with these plates, so I bought 2 of them. मैं 2 लेके आया घर पे, तो मैं 2 लेकर आ गया मैं घर के लिए. मैंने बोला क्रॉफर्ड से सस्ता भी मिल गया. I got it for around 150. काफी सस्ता मिल गया, मैं लेके आ गया.
Okay, that's awesome. So any more questions?
आता है ना आज मजा करेंगे. आज हम लोग दिवाली आज ना करते भी, आज दाबेली आज करते.
Very nice. That sounds great. That sounds great. Okay, we have a question from Anita Swami, who is asking that the tamarind pulp is pureed with the peanuts. So is that an alternative method too?
Yes. Also, that is also an alternative. See, dabeli के पास, see, dabeli का recipe change होते रहता है from gully to gully. Okay, dabeli has different turns and twists, and this is a dish. इसमें कुछ भी अगर आपको मैदे वाला पाव यूज नहीं करना है तो आप होल व्हीट बन भी यूज कर सकते हैं, जो हमारे नीचे आपको दुकान में मिल जाएगा. होल व्हीट बन आपको मिल जाएगा. फिर आप यू कैन पुट कच्चा केला, जैसे मैंने बोला, आप इसमें कच्चा केला भी डाल सकते हो. आप इसमें ये अपना यू कैन गिव दिस क्या बोलते हैं, यू कैन पुट स्वीट पोटैटोस फॉर लिटिल बिट स्वीट टेस्ट. ओके, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा मीठा चाहिए, आपको थोड़ा सा तीखा चाहिए, तो आपको थोड़ा सा यू कैन यूज स्वीट पोटैटोस आल्सो.
Okay, thank you, Rahul. We also have a question from our director, who's asking whether you can give us the recipe for the dabeli masala instead of it being store-bought.
Sure, I can give. I'll mail it to you once I make PPT. I'll put it in the Word document. I'll give it, or I'll put it in the Excel document. I'll give the recipe. Okay, sounds awesome. Any more questions for Rahul? Yes. Any more questions?
Okay, if there are no more questions, we would like to thank both our chefs today, Rahul and Samiksha. Thank you very, very much. It was a wonderful session, and one important point again for all of our attendees. The reason why street food is very interesting for all of us to make, and especially for our budding chefs who have all joined us here today, is that street food has a certain order. मतलब जब आप street food बनाते हो, तो पूरी को लेके फिर उसमें आप पहला यू पुट पटेटो, फिर उसके बाद आप कांदा डालो, फिर उसके बाद टमाटर डालो, फिर उसके बाद आप शेव डालो। तो एक ऑर्डर होता है स्ट्रीट फूड में। और जब कोई भी कुकिंग सीखना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि हमारे जो बडिंग शेफ्स है, हमारे बच्चे स्पेशल हो या नहीं स्पेशल हो, इट इज अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट टू स्टार्ट कुकिंग. Okay, so that you learn how to chop also, and you also learn how to do everything in an order. Once you
Yes.
are able to do this, then you are able to do more complicated dishes.
Correct.
So I would highly recommend that you try these street food dishes at home. It's very simple to do, and I'm sure that you all are also trying other dishes that your families enjoy on a daily basis or a weekly basis. So do try these at home, and definitely send it to us, or you can post it on social media by tagging us and tagging our foundation. So for next week's class, we will have Rahul, who's joining us again, and we have another chef, aspiring chef. They will be teaching us how to make a kati roll, and they will be teaching us how to make a triple chocolate mousse. So we're slowly getting into bakery and slowly getting into some desserts. So I hope that you all do sign up for the next workshop. And like I said, we will share the creative on our Facebook page, or you may get it from somebody you know via WhatsApp. But please do like our page on Facebook as well as on Instagram. And we also have a YouTube channel where you can find this video that will be that you can have access to again.
Yes.
Okay.
Any more
Thank
questions?
you very, very much. Any questions for either of our chefs? Okay, I think that's it.
Okay.
Thank you
so
very,
much for having
very
me.
much.
Thank you so much.
Bye,
It was
ma'am.
a-
Thank you. And we just to end, we just have a poll. We just have a poll that we would like you all to do. We are just going to get it up on screen right now. So
Yes.
if you can just click yes or no.
Yes,
See,
yes.
किधर लेगा?
Yeah. Submit. हाँ पढ़ेगा ना कैसे में
I hope everybody enjoyed. सबको मजा आया आज के सेक्शन में. Even the jhalmuri was very good, and the dabeli was another twist to it.
Yes.
না করবো না তো আমি পড়াশোনা করছি
Thank you.
Thank you, बच्चा लोग. Thanks a lot for having me. मुझे आपके
Thank you,
साथ
chef.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, chef.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chef.
You're most welcome. You're most welcome. आप ये दाबेली try करें. बताना. आप ये दाबेली try करें. Thank you.
so that it does not shrink. So that it does not shrink after washing.
Washing के बाद नहीं तो shrink हो जाता है ना?
Okay, thank you very, very much. That will really help us plan out our next workshops.
क्या है sanitization या shrinkage control क्या है?
Sanitization or shrinkage control means is a treatment
Sure. Please make
is
it
a
more
pre-shrinking treatment which is given to the fabric given to the fabric so that it does not shrink after washing.
What is that?
Okay. So I
Okay,
take
thank you very, very much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have
Thank
a
you.
lovely evening.
Thanks a lot.
Yes.
Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys next week.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye, chef.
Bye, everyone. See you
Next
next
week.
week.
Yes,
Bye.
thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.